In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. Then click on device name and type in wherever you want to. When you finished, hit OK. Then select OK again, this time about this pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my myPhone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!